the manufacturers of air purifiers don't want you to know this. If it ends up in your house and you get into the habit of throwing it away, you are literally making a mistake. Most people buy this item to perfume their home or use it as an insect repellent, and when the liquid runs out, they throw it away to buy another one. But you don't have to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save money. I'm going to show you how to reuse that little bottle and actually make it even more efficient, because as well as perfuming your home, it will also get rid of mosquitoes once and for all. The first thing you need to do is remove the cap. It comes off easily with the help of an object. Then wash it thoroughly to remove any residue from the other product, and do the same with this part. Once you've washed it thoroughly, dry it with a paper towel. If you prefer, you can even leave it out in the sun. Now, in a container, add 4 tablespoons of alcohol. The one I'm using is 70%, but you can use whatever you have at home. Next, add 2 tablespoons of water, and now we'll need cloves. This is the main ingredient for repelling insects, and this is due to some of the components present in cloves. We'll add around 10 cloves. Finally, we'll also use fabric softener, and you can use whatever you have at home, but preferably one that you like the smell of. If you don't have fabric softener, you can also use baby oil or any other scented essence. Add 2 tablespoons and mix well. Now, all you have to do is transfer this mixture to the bottle and place it in any room in your house. And remember that this mixture is very powerful, both for scenting the room and for repelling mosquitoes. So it's well worth doing, because as well as saving you money, your home will smell great and be mosquito-free whenever the liquid runs out. Just make a little more of the mixture, and you can vary the scent a few times so you never get tired of it. So don't forget to do this in your home. I'm sure you'll love the result. Who doesn't like a fragrant home? When we get home from work and the house is super fragrant, all we have to do is make this mixture. This tip is simply incredible, and I'm sure you'll come back here and thank me a million times. It smells amazing. So, are you going to do this in your home? That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, and see you in the next video.